Hi, welcome to A Pen and a Plan. I'm Heather and I'm really excited to plan today. I'm going to plan in my passion planner and I'm going to get it all decorated for next week to do some memory keeping in it, and so I'm really excited to use a kit from VickeysPlannrStickrs and get it all decorated and ready to go. So let's go do this. Come on, let's go plan. Okay, so today we're going to set up my passion planner for next week, so February 24th through March 2nd. And my passion planner I memory keep in, and so I just knock it out decoration wise, and then at the end of the week I add pictures for what happened during the Okay, so first in my passion planner I like to get started by laying down a little bit of washi, and then we add more stickers, and then we add more washi, and it's just a lot of fun. So this is my slicer tool and I absolutely love it. It's full of magic. It only cuts the washi and not the planner. I don't know how or why, but it's absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to be using this as I place the washi down to get it trimmed accordingly, and then I will also put a link below if you want to check it out for yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and get the washi all set here so I can go ahead and place some stickers. Okay, so now that the washi is all placed, we can go ahead and place some stickers, which is my absolute favorite part. So go ahead and use these. These are from VickeysPlannrStickrs as well. These are from her December kit for the classic size passion planner, so these are going to be a little bit bigger for the days of the week. Go ahead and trim them really quick. It's just cutting through the sticker. It's not cutting my planner paper at all, which is awesome. This is seriously my favoriteest tool ever. These are more like hourly blocking, so it's to block out at certain times of the day, but since I'm just adding decoration, they're just kind of going everywhere. I'm going to use these pink colored bars to just add in some geometrical to my page, and we're gonna then find some quotes to throw in here as well. Okay, so I really like these stickers because it's still February, even though this leaks into March, because March starts on Friday, but it's mostly the February, so we're gonna add some heart. Okay, so I have my sticker book here, so this has a lot of extra leftover stickers, so I just like to go through and see if I have some quotes that I can add into it. I want to add some black into all this pink to help balance it out, because to me This is a lot of pink. I'm not a big pink fan, but I love sporting pink in February because it's Valentine's Day and it's cute and it's fun, so I know that was super quick and simple, but I love it. I think it's perfect for my last February spread in my passion planner, and I'm excited to fill it all in with pictures at the end of the week, so stay tuned on my Instagram for my February flip through to see how I placed all my pictures in my white space and added in the memories. So thanks for planning with me. Thanks for planning with me today. I had a lot of fun decorating my passion planner with the pink florals and the fun geometric shapes and a little bit of quotes throughout, and I'm excited to fill it all in at the end of the week and add some pictures to the white space and just enjoy my passion planner, and I can't wait to look through the month of February. If you have some things that you'd like to see on my channel and see me put together more planner spreads or more other ideas, feel free to leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear them, and I can't wait to do more planning with you. Thanks, have a great day, happy planning!